Hey guys, this is Danny Baker again here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a quick boat that we just got in on trade. It's the 2023 Q25 Bennington. Beautiful boat. This is ocean blue with the blackout package. Triple tune, of course, with the ESP package on the back. With, let's see, with the cladded sports arch here. Makes the boat look really nice. Got a ski pole back here in the back with rear facing speakers. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 400R racing motor. Great running boat. This boat will fly, so it's a fun boat to take out. Come on up and let me show you the inside. Up here in the bow of the boat, you can see you have nice little chase loungers here with armrest, with a cup holder. You got plenty of storage underneath all the way around the front of the boat, underneath all of the seats. This has the Rockford Fosgate stereo system in it with a subwoofer, I believe, under here. Boat's very well equipped. Of course, in the Q, you got the raised helm, nice 12-inch Simrad system here with the DTS throttle. Such an awesome boat. Got the L-shaped couches here with the swing back, rear, so face backwards or forwards if you want to hang, chill out in the cove or anything like that. So if you want more information on this boat, just give us a call here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thanks and have a great day.